In today's world, it is so difficult for us to not allow our children watch screen, because their schools are asking us, their most of their homeworks are coming on certain apps, you know. So in this kind of a scenario, what kind of discipline that you think is required for us moms, so that our children can make the best use of this virtual opportunity?
I feel setting a time is very very important. Timing helps the children to create a boundary of what and how much time they can engage in, and not only engaging, they have to be creative. It's not about mindless scrolling. They need to create something which is unique, which describes them, or maybe they can learn something out of it. So I always have my children set a time, like, okay, you give after you finish your homework or whatever is to be done, after that you get half an hour or 1 hour of screen only. And not only that, in that time you have to show me that you have done something creative. You have to create something out of it. So that is how I want that. Yes, technology is there, but you have to use it wisely. How the children can get the best out of what of the technology. Mothers don't get the same 24 hours as everybody else gets. We have the work of a 25 hours, which we have to squeeze in within 24 hours, and that too we have to be on our toes for 24/7. Like, throughout the day, throughout the week, throughout 365 days, we have to finish our work. We cannot just depend on anybody else. It's a mother's job, and we have to do it all by ourselves.